Welcome to FM Driving School. Some call me the professor of driving, but we're not here to rob a bank. But what I can give you is something more valuable than money, and that is time. We've compressed everything you need to know about driving into 1-minute video clips. We'll give you tips on driving, how to pass a driving test, what the examiner looks at for how you should be driving. Don't forget to show some love, like it, share it and subscribe. Let's get straight into it. In this video we're going to talk about traffic lights, specifically the amber light. Now it's important to understand that every situation is going to be different, so don't take this as a holy grail, but take it as an advice, take it as an example. Check your highway code book. Amber means stop unless it's unsafe. Let's get the beautiful Tokyo out here. The most important moments are the ones that make you realize there's no turning back. You've crossed a line and you're stuck on the other side now. Let's take this example. You got green light, we're driving, lights changed to amber just slightly before the stop line, but we were a little bit too fast. Had we decided to stop suddenly, it would have caused a situation, a backlog of cars behind us trying to brake suddenly at the same time, so it would have been really unsafe. Again, you got another set of traffic lights, it's green light and we're slightly past the stop line, it's changed to amber, it would have been unsafe to have stopped suddenly. We're going to call this Plan Wembley. In 1966 World Cup finals between England and West Germany, it was 2-2 going into extra time. Geoff Hurst receives the ball and turns around and shoots at close range and hitting the underbar of the crossbar. The ball bounces off the line and then gets cleared out by the German defenders. Our players went off to celebrate. The goal was disallowed initially, but the linesman called it a goal. Massive moment for us. We went on to win the World Cup finals 4-2 and received our first ever World Cup trophy. Years later, a study was conducted by Oxford University and they concluded the ball did not cross the line entirely and that it was 6 centimeters away from being a goal. So literally a couple of centimeters away. Anyway, the point is, when you're driving, depending on your speed, depending on your surrounding, depending on the distances, depending how far you are from the line, if you crossed it or not, etc., that will affect how and if you're going to stop at the traffic lights. Thanks for watching, and thanks to the boys who won the World Cup for us in 1966, the one and only cup. And thanks for the Plan Wembley so that we can apply in our driving lesson. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe, click the button, it's only a click away. It makes a big deal to my channel. And make sure you watch our other videos on driving. Thank you again, take care, good luck with your driving.